2025 African Vaccination Week open, Vice President Dr. Mohamed Jallow said vaccines remain a strong tool to prevent outbreaks before the spread and to protect those mostly at risk. He therefore called for collective effort by government, development partners, health workers, and communities to continue to save millions of lives. Routine childhood vaccinations in Sierra Leone are a part of the extended program on immunization, an initiative started by the World Health Organization and managed by the Ministry of Health as a means to work collectively towards achieving universal immunization across the continent. Earlier, the Chief Executive Officer of Gavi, the Global Alliance on Vaccine Initiative, Dr. Sania Nishta, has led a high-level delegation to meet President Julius Maada Bio at its residence. The visit came ahead of the 2025 World Immunization Week being hosted by Sierra Leone and signals Gavi's strong support for the country's immunization drive. Health Minister Dr. Austin Dembi said hosting this year's Immunization Week in Freetown is a recognition of President Bio's leadership and Sierra Leone's impact on Africa's vaccine goals. Gavi CEO Dr. Senia said Sierra Leone's result outshine even bigger countries thanks to political will and strong partnerships. President Bio said Gavi has been a strong, reliable partner and reaffirmed his government commitment to vaccinate every child. President Bio said healthcare is the foundation for human capital development and it goes hand in hand with education, agriculture, gender equality, and youth empowerment. And in other news from State House, President Julius Maada Bio and First Lady Fatima Maada Bio has joined world leaders in Libreville, Gabon, where they attended the inauguration of President Brice Clotaire Nigawa, who was elected as Gabon's fourth president on April 8, 2025, at the high-level event in Libreville. President Brice Nguma pledged to restore dignity to the people of Gabon and outline his foreign policy vision, which he noted is focused on strengthening international engagement. He said Gabon is ready to cooperate with global partners while respecting institutions and the rule of law. Sierra Leone's presence at the ceremony highlights its strong diplomatic tie with Gabon. Both nations are committed to Africa unity and is signatory to the African Continental Free Trade Area, which seeks to reduce trade barriers and enhance intra-African commerce. Well, that was it for Newsbrief from the Eye with me, Cynthia Kamara.
A place cannot produce poems. It can only not prevent them. And Freetown is good at that, for Freetown has its own sudden elegances. People are slow to live in, and there are others who come for a year or two and stay for a lifetime, sensing that they've found a city that is in the world, yet sufficiently on the edge of it to have a different resonance. Let me tell you something about this city. All of us, we're all just passing through.
Sorry for the loss of your properties. As the head of the family, you need to be strong. Tell me something. What really caused the fire?
Sorry to interrupt, sir. He won't be able to say anything for now.
Why?
Because he just lost thousands of dollars he collected yesterday, standing by for a business transaction tomorrow. It happened right in front of me. I was watching TV when the light was taken, so I turned off the TV and fell from the switch. Few minutes later, the light came again, and I saw cable caught fire and started burning. That is when I rushed outside shouting for help. My people, see what EDSA has done to us!
No, my dear. Not all fire accidents are caused by EDSA. There are many factors. Sometimes it could happen as a result of the substandard second class or third class cable we normally use to electrify our buildings. If the cable you use is 80% aluminium and 20% copper, within a short period of time, it will develop carbon and turn to dust. So when the light goes off and comes on again, because of the low quality and less copper, it will catch fire. So that is why it is advisable to use KMB cable from Bisomola Enterprises at number 59 Shani Apata Street, Freetown. For easy access, enter from Eastern Police Station, just a few meters to your left hand side opposite the church. KMB cables, a high quality and original cable which is 100% copper, and if bought, 50 years warranty will be given, which can last you almost forever. So rush now to Bisomola Enterprise, reasonable cost.
Excuse me, my brother. Please take me right away to Bisomola Enterprise. I was on my way to purchase cables and different electrical accessories to electrify my new house.
Are you really ready?
Oh yes.
Then enter my car. Let's go.
Wow! Most recent electrical rechargeable fans. Big fans 8 hours recharge and small fans 4 hours recharge.
That is just the beginning. Take a look at the first class original UK energetic bulb with different size and colors, and it's also durable.
Quality secure, durable with best prices.
Standard socket and extension with 2005.
Quality, recent electrical accessories for a reasonable cost.
You can't see it, it's electric.
Highwoods Institute, looking to advance in accounting, business management, or digital proficiency. From ACCA to ICB qualifications and workplace proficiency, Highwoods Institute sets you on the path to success. At Highwoods Institute, we offer a diverse range of programs tailored just to meet the needs of today's professionals. So, join the ranks. Achieving your career goals has never been more accessible. Take the first step toward a brighter tomorrow. Enroll now at Highwoods Institute and start a secured future. Visit us at highwoodsinstitute.org or at 92 Pademba Road, Freetown to learn more. Highwoods Institute, the premier destination for career-focused education.
A place cannot produce poems. It can only not prevent them. And Freetown is good at that, for Freetown has its own sudden elegances. People are slow to leave it, quick to return. And there are others who come for a year or two and stay for a lifetime, simply on the edge of it, to have a different resonance. Let me tell you something about this city. All of us, we're all just passing through, and we've all been here forever. Those who came, those who stayed, those who never returned. Tides turn, seasons change. We've waited and we've watched. But we've always been here. We've always listened. Because there is a different resonance here. It comes from the river, and the land, and the sky.
It's our place, all of us.
This city belongs to everyone.
And you know when it's your time.
And it's our time.
Listen, we are Freetown.
Don't go thinking you're better than anyone else,
or that anyone else is better than you.
Don't shout about it. Get on with it.
We are Freetown.
Freetown!
Freetown!
Yeah!
We found our voice again.
I'm from India and Freetown.
I'm from China and Freetown.
I'm from the UK and Freetown.
I am from Nigeria and Freetown.
I am from home and Freetown.
This city belongs to everyone.
The fishermen,
the taxi driver,
the barber,
the drummers, dancers,
all of us.
All of us. Everybody. We are Freetown.
The past is ours.
The future is ours. It's our time again.
And this city belongs to everyone.
The playwright,
the greengrocer,
the teacher,
the dog.
This space is ours.
This light is ours.
The beaches are ours.
The rivers now we own.
The roads are ours.
The bridges now we own.
We are Freetown.
We are all visitors and we've all been here forever.
We've got the mightiest river
and the biggest sky.
And there's a resonance again.
Freetown. Freetown.
We are proud of this place.
We love this city.
And we want you to love it too.
We are proud of this place.
Na pass we all dey pass like stranger dem, but we all don't dare from them. Come here, and you'll feel it, that end of the line sense of freedom. Say yes to Freetown. Say yes to freedom.
for see wetin we dey do. We people dem want for know wetin we dey say. Oh, we like we salon. Oh, we like we salon.
A place cannot produce poems. It can only not prevent them. And Freetown is good at that, for Freetown has its own sudden elegances. People are slow to leave it, quick to return. And there are others who come for a year or two and stay for a lifetime, sensing that they found a city that is in the world, yet sufficiently on the edge of it to have a different resonance.
Let me tell you something about this city. All of us, we're all just passing through, and we've all been here forever.
Those who came, those who stayed, those who never returned. Tides turn, seasons change, we've waited and we've watched. But we've always been here. We've always listened, because there is a different resonance here. It comes from the river, and the land, and the sky.
It's our place, all of us.
This city belongs to everyone.
And you know when it's your time.
And it's our time.
Listen, we are Freetown.
The golden rules of Freetown.
Don't pretend you're something that you're not.
Don't go thinking you're better than anyone else,
or that anyone else is better than you.
Don't shout about it. Get on with it.
We are Freetown.
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 Yeah.
We found our voice again.
I'm from India and Freetown.
I'm from China and Freetown.
I'm from the UK and Freetown.
I am from Nigeria and Freetown.
I am from home and Freetown.
This city belongs to everyone.
The fishermen,
The taxi driver,
The barber,
the drummers, dancers.
All of us.
All of us. Everybody. We are Freetown.
The past is ours.
the future is ours. It's our time again.
and this city belongs to everyone.
The playwright,
The greengrocer,
The teacher,
the dog.
This space is ours.
this light is ours.
The beaches are ours.
the rivers now we own.
The roads are ours.
The bridges now we own.
We are
A place cannot produce poems. It can only not prevent them. And Freetown is good at that, for Freetown has its own sudden elegances.
For me and you today, where we serve go can see. And I believe say as well and teachers and they with them, where then they represent and school them. And as tutor to the picking them. And where I believe say themselves go be proud for see how them picking and they perform. We get rules and regulations them where we strictly they go by for this competition. This one I am not doing at the first. We don't start at Nakambia. Put lock on at the second place where we they can do this inter-school quiz and civic competition. And I want for assure Una, the school picking them, the teacher them, the audience as a whole, that this will be very transparent, fair enough, and where everybody go satisfied. But we get other few people them, we get for serve as panel of judges, wherein from time
We will announce their name, the MC as well, director himself, and I'll be co-MCing with him. And also, we will be having a quiz master as well. And any other thing, I'm going to come and update from time to time. But stay put and ready for a very good quiz and debate competition.
Thank you. In name na Marian Bangura. Yeah?
Yeah, we are coming to that. Okay. Yes.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it don't come bankam. We want for see we picking them talents. We not come for keep una long here, but we want for can see we picking them talents. How much they know but the country, how much they know but corruption, how much they know but plenty thing then na the country. We just want for know. Sometimes they base around the locality. Which I say chairman day. Let we see how much we for do na the schools and because together with we sector partner when Anna said we've been designing a curriculum where the minister the champion in terms of policy. So some of them gap here where they identify na the areas where we able strengthening for let the education all water good fast in one. On this note, I would like for call on the quiz master. We na Timothy Sam, and like how Marian say in the posse way na the co-quiz master, we self go dey na the background. Then we get judges them, we go dey take una scores them. Then on the screen, let you know say we no give time pass this or you don't make this talk pass. As we wait in an electronic clock, una go see am. So when you time done, all man know say na fair enough you time done. So Timothy Sam. Now the quiz master and Ingo can take we through watching this quiz debate, the areas they will focus on and the questions them. And it will also announce in panel of judges we get for take discuss them. All right. So Timothy can tell we I get money now but I get because then donate to somebody and Alpha side wait left down the first. Alpha side keep off. All right, so we call on Timothy Sam now for let it come and ensure say he take we through the processes for this quiz. Thank you very much.
Una morning. Salon big pass we. I know you're fine. This could picking them. Una there. Salon big pass we. Okay, let the adults and self holla first. Picking on no holla, yeah. Salon big pass we. You see school picking and the holla pass now. Salon big pass we. Okay, Lord, you this school picking now. Salon big pass we. Who that win? Okay, Lord, one together now. Salon big pass we. Thank you very much. We don't want for waste time. As you see, Ministry of Information will not waste time. We want to go straight to the quiz. But the first thing first, we want to introduce the school them. Technical team, do you wanna shoot the quiz them for the schools them for we so that we go call and name them and then go occupy the high table. So we get 6 schools them, and then school there, then they all the inside Locoton. Unfortunately, we're not able to go deep down inside the community them because one, we think say as we do Anaya, we go also extend them with partnership with the district council and other CSOs them for go deep down, including with also NASED, who they work with inside local. Do I want to show you the schools them? Okay, without wasting time, we want for. Good. So for the schools then we get Dr. Kadisi say government girl secondary school. Put hands together for them. And we are the representative now, Abibatu Tetsinsi. So let's put your hands together for him. Look at the match. Beautiful. Not to say, look clap for him. Look clap for him. So confident. Wow. The next school now, the Catholic Junior Secondary School, put local. Let's put your hands together for them. Christiana Fatmata Kamara. Put your hands together for him. Look where they work out. Una clap. Una keep clap for until sit down. The next school will get now Movement of Faith Junior Secondary School. Bundu A Mansare. Yeah, but they don't get sense. When you see themselves, when you see the man in cutlass, when you see the man in cutlass, you go know say then they answer all the question them. So not so by cutlass. The fourth school now, Mafoki, I like this school name, Mafoki Agricultural Islamic Secondary School. Abubakar Sise. Idea? Una clap for him, una clap for him, una clap for him. Yeah? Not so by coatless, so you see the man in socks. This is a street school begin. Look at him, you see him? The fifth school now, Joanna, I didn't call him, Cuven Modern Secondary School. I didn't call him, Guana waiting. I want to pronounce him. Kayamoven. Kaiven Hoven. Una sorry you. Pronounce him for we do ya.
Kaivel Movel.
We not get some fine no. Do ya.
Joanna Kaivan Open Model Junior Secondary School.
Call again, we not get some fine.
Joanna Kaivan Open Model Junior Secondary School.
Joanna Kaivan Hoven Modern Secondary School. Put your hands together for him. Put your hands together for him. The last school who gets now the Free Pentecostal Academy. Then call on Stephen Kweku. Idea. Put your hands together for him. Yeah, this is not Dadaman. Dadaman ain't get sense. You know, say we former Minister of Education, Basic Education. We get that. This I know say as he done the quiz out today, then they make him the Chief Minister. Put your hands together for him. They are sit down. We go need at least they don't let me sit down, but no problem. I go team up. Lord, put your hands together for them once more. Wow. Do we want for just observe if any school they were not represented here, not so because we left una out, but not just that we take sample of different schools them for made in there. Yeah. The next time we can put local, we go also make sure so we include on by the grace of God. We want for go to we panel of judges them. We don't want for waste time. Then there. So we panel of judges them. We get them from different organizations them. Then go introduce themselves. But we also get youth CSOs them. We get CSOs and also somebody from NASED. We'll go on for call. The first person, Mr. Mohammed A.S. Kamara from NASED. You don't know, please come forward. Lord, put your hands together for him, please. Please, we're going to need some chairs them up. We're going to need some chairs them up for them, judges there. We need at least 4 to 5 chairs them up, please. If we're not can support, we do here. The second person, Mr. Abubakar Kimbo Idea. We also get Nancy Bamoy, we get Saliu Sanko, and also we get Sine Bangura, where then do I make una way there on the high table na ya, una way they represent different schools them. I don't want to sweat too much. And I go be okay. You have to be at the back. Yes. So these are the rules them for the quiz competition. I go read them. So we dey expect say when we send the question out, we will call direct question. Each of the school then we will ask them, and then go get 5 marks for any direct question we will send to una. If you not answer the question, it go to the immediate person on your right. Yeah? So let's say we start, on your left. Hopefully, I don't know whether Naya will start or Obanda will start. Yeah? But we go down to the immediate person where they near you. And then they go for 3 marks. The time limit, we don't put 15 seconds. 15 seconds for me to answer direct question. For the transfer question, we expect you to answer immediately. The format of the quiz will get 4 rounds. We go capture various things then, but put local, but anti-corruption, but NRA, but statistics, and generally for government, na salon. I just want to check if we panel of judges they don't ready, and Marian and Mr. Toure go co-master this quiz with me. We'll go on for begin by first of all, make them vote as to who that first they start. Mr. Timekeeper will also want to make you test the timer. Let's see say it work. So that transitioning from the question to the timer, we want for the CR make it be very, very smooth. Mr. Timekeeper, when I'm Mr. Isaiah Sanko, when I staff of Ministry of Information and Civic Education, go be with Timekeeper. Mr. Isaiah, we want to see the timer up, please. So now the timer done there, now they see right? You they see? Hello, sir. Excuse me, sir. You they see not so? Now they see the timer. So as they ask you question, that timer they start. Now they see at the back. Okay, good. We'll get big one yonder. You just say just 15 seconds. And then if you don't answer and the person will they immediately to you, we will pose that question to him. Okay? Good. So are we ready?
So before the question,
So before the question, we want for ballot, Uda go start first for the first round.
So I they do this ballot and then una go pick the number where you get, you go announce them and then it go show, say na you first, na you second, na you third, fourth, and ongoing we go start. Yeah, it's okay. We already know the school. So una pick.
Take one of the paper then.
School and then the number.
You they take the mic and you announce your school number so that the judges then go record them immediately.
Mafoki Agricultural Islamic Secondary School, number 5.
So you go there number 5, now you they start.
Free Pentecostal Mission Academy, number 6.
Movements of Faith Islamic Secondary School, number 3.
Potluck Catholic Junior Secondary School, number 1.
Movements of Faith Islamic Secondary School, number 3.
Potluck Catholic Junior Secondary School, number 1. Dr. Kadi A. Sise Girls Secondary School, number 2.
Joanna Kaivan Open Model Junior Secondary School, number 4.
All right, so thank you very much. We go start serially and we dey take the person wey get number 1.
Una don ready? Do you wanna feel free for drink water and relax? Smile as much as you can able for smile. We know they ask you any question where they embarrass you. Questions they already ask, not so you bother and you hate. Then questions they are about salon problem. Yeah? So just make sure say you answer the question and calm down. Okay? When we ask you the question, take the mic and talk inside the mic and give you answer.
So then go deep inside this basket. I will call them basket, not a plastic. And then the question where you meet up and then you announce them, then read out the question for you. Who is number 1? Okay.
So the grading system now 5 direct questions and then 3 transferred questions. So each round you will get, somebody will get opportunity for answer 2 questions for each round. We get a total round of 4. Okay? Good. Are you ready? So the first school na the Catholic Junior Secondary School Port Local. They don't pick the question number?
Yes, number 31.
So you question at number 31. Please, technical team, please shoot the question number 31. Yes. Please, when you call the number of your question, also call your name and the school. Yeah. So that the judges them go get you, because they know when they under they know the see you now. Yeah. Good.
My name is Christiana Fatima Takamara. I am representing the Port Local Catholic Junior Secondary School, number 31.
Question.
Thank you.
Okay, so they're not able to show the question, unfortunately, so I will need for read them from here. Question number 31. How many years are parliamentarians elected? How many years we parliamentarians then they be elected for?
I don't understand.
How many years then they elect with parliamentarian and for me then go to parliament and represent we? For how many years then go did they?
5 years.
Correct. 5 points.
People are slow to leave it, quick to return. And there are others who come for a year or two and stay for a lifetime, sensing that they've found a city that is in the world, yet sufficiently on the edge of it to have a different resonance.
Let me tell you something about this city. All of us, we're all just passing through. And we've all been here forever.
Those who came, those who stayed, those who never returned. Tides turn, seasons change. We've waited and we've watched. But we've always been here. We've always listened. Because there is a different resonance here. It comes from the river, and the land, and the sky.
It's our place, all of us.
This city belongs to everyone.
And you know when it's your time.
And it's our time.
Listen, we are Freetown.
The golden rules of Freetown.
Don't pretend you're something that you're not.
Don't go thinking you're better than anyone else.
Or that anyone else is better than you.
Don't shout about it. Get on with it.
We are Freetown.
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 Yeah.
We found our voice again.
I'm from India and Freetown. I'm from China and Freetown.
I'm from the UK and Freetown.
I am from Nigeria and Freetown.
I am from home and Freetown. This city belongs to everyone.
The fishermen,
The taxi driver,
The barber.
the drummers, the dancers.
All of us.
All of us. Everybody. We are Freetown.
The past is ours.
For Alfred Toure, for Abubakar Sise. Next, please.
Domi JFL Shombe from Joanna Kaivan Oven Model Junior Secondary School number 7.
Question number 7. Let's see what we got here. Question number 7. This is a very big one. Give 2 reasons why Port Loko is an NRA collection point for Sierra Leone. Give it 2 reasons why to make Port Loko na a National Revenue Authority collection point as alone. 2 reasons. We actually get 4, but just give it 2.
Repeat the question.
Give us 2 reasons why Port Loko is an NRA collection point for Sierra Leone. Give it 2 reasons why to make Port Loko na tax, na place where they collect tax na saloon.
1. Because the people are obeying the authority and paying revenue according to circumstances. 2.
Time up. Can we transfer, please, to the next person close to you? Yes. Wait to make NRA in a place. Sorry, wait to make Port Loko on a place where NRA they also collect tax. Okay. Any other person? Yes.
Because that money that they use if the street spoil, that money that they use for make it a gun and other things there.
Okay. Wrong. Any other person? Okay, last try, then we can move.
They are using that money to pay the government workers.
Wrong. Okay, I will give the answer them. 1, now because of the Lunge Airport. 2, now because Port Loko they share border with Freetown and other districts them. 3, now because Port Loko they also very close to Cambia, where also they collect tax from Guinea. And then they host key mining institution. That now the correct answer them, and sorry, none of the panelists them not able to give you that answer. Next time I go send the question to the people with the audience. Okay, thank you very much. I know some of the young people and the mods and then they warm up for talk. Not so. Good. Lord, go next.
So team, before we go next, there is a concern raised where I go just want for throw lights on.
Good.
And with regards to the question, the timekeeper, are you with us? So do ya wait and done for ask the question before you start the time. Yeah,
Good
so
observation.
that the
Good
will
observation.
get enough time.
Good.
Thank you very much, sir, for drawing our attention.
Good. Yes, you get a concern? Yes. Well, it go difficult for we because each time in the ballots, now that first time no more than we need 4. Yeah? Is that okay? Well, thank you very much, sir. Thank you for that observation. Yes, so we go to the last person, right? How many people not left? Are you not the last person? Good. So, what's the question?
37.
Question number 37. Question number 37. Waiting at the highest court na saloon.
Question again.
Opportunity. No, we get transfer. We don't start from there na you turn now. Yes.
Read the question. Read the question.
Waiting at the highest court na saloon.
I don't know.
Waiting at the name of the highest court na saloon. Or how then they call the highest court na saloon?
The judicial court.
Sorry, wrong answer. Any other person?
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court, 3 marks. 3 marks for Abubakar Sise, Mafoki Agriculture Islamic Secondary School. Okay, so then are the we get 1 more for this round, please.
Okay.
So we observe say also the teacher and then they lip read the question into the picking them. Do ya now civic education therefore we also they promote honesty, integrity, and respect. Allow the picking them make them get them fair chance. Do ya with the big? Yeah? Good. Good. So on that note, we ask teach people therefore turn the chair, make them facing themselves, please.
Yes, and also we want to give a caution to the teachers. Now that's what we they talk about fair and transparent for the competition. So do your own self, una do the same likewise. No whisper, no murmur, no make signs so you school picking, please. Please.
For the camera, right?
We cannot turn them. We cannot turn them.
Okay. Yes. Please. Hello. Salon big pass we. Salon big pass we. Yes.
So the teacher is here, and it is justify that. And make sure say I confirm every school picking.
Salon big pass we. If you hear me clap one. If you hear me clap one. If you hear me clap one. If you hear me clap two. If you hear me clap two. Thank you. Please, one decorum, please. We actually like the hits. That's what it for be. We fulfill them.
We understand, and this is a competition. We know say the tension is getting higher, and please be rest assured say, not picking up the naya so we teacher send, when not they represent the form and the school where it comes out. So please, I make sure say I confirm that. Yeah, if we know of any, if we get any, obviously a total disqualification.
Okay.
But as far as we are concerned, all the one that way they take part for the quiz competition, now JSS pupils them. So let we know that they please.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. And thank you, Madam Quizmaster. Okay, we now want to go ahead until we are perfect decorum.
Please,
no
respect. We send it against we. Please.
No respect to picking them on the table, please. Do ya? Thank you very much.
We want to go to the second rounds, please.
Good. The hits, you don't come up. And so one for film. I wish we get the one, the musician I don't get here because we'll reach the second rounds. We want men and can perform, men and call some man tension. Not so you go fine, do ya? You go fine, you go fine. So man tension don't go up.
So okay. We go.
Will they go to round 2?
No, we do it first.
Good. So at the end of round 2, go also want for please give the scores. So far. Good. Are we ready? Are we ready?
Start from Obaya.
Good.
Announce your name, the question, and your school.
Dombi JFL Shombe Joanna Kaivan Obemonde Junior Secondary School.
Okay.
Question 40.
Question number 40. This one is a very big one.
Don't be afraid.
What you can do now morning for Can School? What's the first thing we can do?
When I get up, I pray.
You pray?
Yes.
Okay, good. Just want to know that. The question go like this. Recite the national pledge.
You can either maybe sing them or...
No, if I recite. Okay. The word is recite.
Okay, recite.
Yes.
Okay. I pledge my love and loyalty to my country, Sierra Leone. I vow to serve her faithfully at all the time. I promise to defend her honor and good name, always work for our unity, peace, freedom, and prosperity. So may we serve her faithfully, so help me God, so help me.
Not correct. I can give you another opportunity.
One more chance. One more chance. Go.
Congratulations. If I tell you now, if I call some people in Aya, they're not able to answer that question. But you don't really deliver, and we so appreciate you for that. Thank you. But you don't really deliver, and we so appreciate you for that. Thank you. Judges, I want to get the name and the school right. Good. Yes, next.
The next person. Stand up, please. Your name, the school, and the question number.
Abiba to third.
Decorum, please.
Dr. Kadi Esisega Secondary School, 28.
Question number 28.
Question number 28. Question number 28. In Sierra Leone, we get the highest body where they make the law. How will they call that body day? Which name will they give them? In Sierra Leone, who is the ultimate legislator? The one the way they make with law. Waiting at the highest, and whose name will they give them?
Now the legislative system.
Wrong. The question is still not clear. I don't know how simple I have to come. Who than they make we law in a salon? We get a group of people them where they make all we law in a salon. Waiting at the name of them people and they. The place where they how they call them.
Now the judiciary them.
Wrong. Okay.
Thank you.
Time up. Next. We need for check. The next person will be good opportunity now be this young man for the next person. Right? Yeah. Yes, sir. You. Take the mic.
Kundu Emasare, Movement of Faith Islamic Secondary School, question 41.
Okay. You able to answer that question? We're unable to answer. You get answer for him?
Question.
The questioner, we get a group of people them where now then they make the law in salon. All the law them where they hear about in salon and then they make come. Then group of people and then I want particular place. How then they call that place there?
The court registrars.
Wrong. Okay. Will they give last opportunity? Yes.
Parliament.
Correct. Put your hands together for him. Actually, the word, you get 3 marks, and that word then we'll call them House of Parliament. Okay? Lord, put your hands together for him once more. 3 marks for him. Next question, please. And next school.
My name is Christiana Fatma Takamara. I am representing the Port Local Catholic Junior Secondary School.
Christiana, question number, please.
30.
Question number 30. How many districts are there in Sierra Leone?
There are 16 districts.
5 points correct for Christiana. Next, quickly. Next, quickly.
Next
It's getting hot. It's getting hot.
Bundu Emasare, Movement
Bundu
of Faith Islamic
Mansare,
Secondary School.
Movement of Faith Junior
Question
Secondary
41.
School. Question number 41.
41.
Question number 41.
Discover Sierra Leone, a hidden gem of West Africa, where the rhythms of life dance in harmony with the beauty of nature.
Feel the heartbeat of our culture in every beat of the drum, in every step of the dance.
Experience the tranquility of our shores, where each sunrise brings new stories and endless possibilities.
Immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of our daily life, where every color tells a tale and every face a friend.
Come, be enchanted by the sights and sounds of Sierra Leone.
A place where your adventure awaits.
And memories are made.
A place cannot produce poems. It can only not prevent them. And Freetown is good at that, for Freetown has its own sudden elegances. People are slow to leave it, quick to return. And there are others who come for a year or two and stay for a lifetime, sensing that they found a city that is in the world, yet
Time up. Okay. Will you transfer to you, sir? Yes.
Slbc Tv.
Wrong. Yes.
One more chance.
Sam Milton.
Sam Milton Magai. Sam Milton Magai. Thank you very much. I'm not going to give other information because maybe question the way they follow up on that. Okay? Is this the end of round 2, right?
Yeah. You're the last person, right?
The last person. Let's put your hands together for them. It's getting hot in here.
So we don't get
Getting
to
hot
the
in
end
here.
of round 2 and the final round.
No, we get 2 more rounds actually.
Yes, after this. And
The
then
judges then when I get any, when I be able to give you the questions, the answer state, the grade status,
the scores.
please. So far, Usa we don't reach. So far, Usa we don't do. Mr. Bundu, how are you? How are you doing, Mr. Bundu? Eh? How the body? What you can do where you know they go school? Tell Wiba. Take the mic. What you can do where you know they go school? Take the mic. One for Yegi.
I dey go
No, what you can do where you know they go school? Where school not there, what you can do?
I dey read me notes.
You can read your notes. You sure? Now no more. What else?
The book.
You the brook. You the support your parents and not so? Good. Very important. Yes, Christiana, what you yourself can do? When okay, during the weekend, what you can do?
Well, where I grab, I will tell Papa God thank you.
Okay.
And I sweep, why don't sweep, why don't I go
Please, when I get time, do ya please.
why come up book, I can't wash pan, well done we cook.
Okay. Good.
And night time, I will read me notes.
They give you notes.
Yes.
You can listen to salon music.
Well, no.
No salon music? Oh God. Anybody now would have left salon music? You can listen to who's artist who you like.
LAJ.
Oh, you like LJ? Woo! Yeah. Bobo. Any other person? We don't ready? Any other person? Eh? We don't are you a musician? Na salon. Eh?
Bimbo.
Bobo. Me I like Ami Kalona. Ami Kalona, I'm a musician. Lord, put your hands together for them. Lord, put your hands together for them. One for call the school them first. We know they call the names them. They will call the grades them. Yes, over. So it's quickly.
Yeah. We get Dr. Kadi, Sierra Secondary School. Gets 5 marks. We get the MOF, when our movement of faith, 5 marks. We get the Free Pentecostal, 3 marks. We get Catholic, 10 marks. We get Joanna, winner JKMSS, 11 marks. We get Mafoki, Agricultural Islamic, 8 marks.
Okay, put your hands together for them. Thank you very much. Thank you. No one for waste time.
Thank you, judges.
We want to go to the 3rd round, please. I don't know if the musician be done ready. You don't ready? Do you have the bag follow? The place won't begin hot. No, so the place won't begin hot. In fact, would they make this the final rounds
So
because
this
of
is the
time?
final round.
So when we come, we go to the final rounds because of time. Because of time, we get quiz and debates for come. Mr. Toure, please introduce for we musician.
Hey, hello. Slbc Tv. I just been to talk to one local musician. I remember in those days, you want for go na lonsar, na for go super niveau. Driver, do ya care me go? If you do me. Eh? Eko ido kabala, eko ba wati feti, minemi. Imakanan choko, kepa mariachu, toya mubae, kanemi kemenem tene, kanemi kemenem tene, kanemi kemenem tene. Kanemi kemenem tenem. Oh, what ma podi bake. O kliye mi so. O kontie mi so. Mi le soy ba malangba. Kepa mariachu. Toya mubae. Kanemi kemenem tene. Kanemi kemenem tene. Kanemi kemenem tene. Kanemi kemenem tene. Toyomi boko. Toyomi boko. Toyomi boko mariachu. Toyomi boko. Toyomi kulo. Toyomi kulo. Toyomi kulo mariachu. Toyomi kulo. Hey. Thank you. Let's get a big hand. You know why? You know why? I've been telling you say, I've been done do the music and I've been done pick her up. Now I make another call other artists. After this time, the real artists go come. But you know what? Then send them the way they play, where the all business be sweet, no so. Remember something. Remember something. He go tell we later. Thank you very much. I go come with the artists later. But I be no say I get more artists than I am. Hey. Hey. Hey, wonders will never end. No, come. How una tell them how una be dead and ten.
During that time, they mean a vocalist for the Super Negros da Lonsar. Yes, while you go school. I tell them, you know, I love music. Music can be passion, but God no make I able go there. But today, Alhamdulillah, I'm a paramount chief of the Kacho Pachimbo.
Aya, baby bana unira mami, itu one can dance. Kereba kala tayo, oh so ayo we. Konya manengi nengi sinama nengi. Si fini bo ase kamang bolose, ye kamang bolose bo ase kaimasuri. Ya, baby bana unira mami, itu one can dance. Kereba kala tayo, oh so ayo. Minengo munongo sabano embo tawopanenu. Minengo munongo sabano enkilimi akol untosnemi imbako kokuyomimbo. Minengo munongo. Thank you. Let me get a big hand. I need for call other artists again. Another call artists after this. Then I go show now we owe magic again. Yeah. You see, that make the part themselves don't begin enjoy the civic day. Slbc Tv. Turn to your neighbor, never wait to sleep. Say, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Will they go to part 2?
Okay,
Continue.
thank you. Thank you very much. That was really good. Mine Muno Toko. Not also.
Hey,
and
Toko.
And as he said, that song where the chief sing, that song where he mean to say, we want for marry them. I hope say today, as they marry to Mama Salo. Not also. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. It's so good for Siuna in that spirit today. And it really shows say we did together with one spirit for lift up Salone. Big pass we all. We will come now to the third and final rounds. The third and final rounds. Good. Mary and the don't ballot. Good. We want for start, please. Yes.
Are you guys ready?
No, we will start from this time here now, please. Yeah. Yes, quick, cool.
Question 50. We Pentecostal Mission Academy.
Question 50.
Question number 50. Who have been the third Prime Minister of Sierra Leone? Who have been the third Prime Minister of Sierra Leone?
Albert Magai.
Wrong. Time up. No, not tell you again. We'll start now from the right over there. Yes. Now you get the opportunity. Would that be the number 3 Prime Minister of Sierra Leone?
Shakapi Stephen.
Shakapi Stephen, correct answer. 3 points. Good. Next, please. We don't have to waste time. Quickly. Please tell your name and the school, please. Yes.
Tommy J. F.L. Shombe, Joanna Kaivan, Oben Model Junior Secondary School.
Okay, good.
Thank you. Judges.
Joanna Model Secondary School.
Abubakar Sise, representative of Mafoki Agriculture Islamic Secondary School.
Yes, Abubakar Sise from Mafoki Agriculture Islamic Secondary School.
Number
yes.
20.
Can we have audience, please?
Please, audience, please. Question number 20. Question number 20.
Do you the parents them? We want for you, we picking them, please. Una thank you.
Question number 20. I go read it in English. Maybe may I go explain and Miss Creole. Setting up the government. Defining the government. Protecting basic rights and futures of what? Setting up the government, defining the government, protecting basic rights and futures of Sierra Leone. Now, waiting, Dandy.
Once more again.
Okay.
Okay. I go try by all possible means. Not to be tempted anyway. One particular thing they way inside there, now they then they put thing them about the government we go protect me and you will rights. As always we can say get me rights, I know me rights, human rights, and thing them day. And waiting at that thing day.
Okay, we're afraid for call that thing day. Waiting at that document day.
Waiting at that document day. Yeah.
We actually don't want to give them clue. We don't want to give them too much clue.
So a document day, yeah, where inside there, it gets everything but me and you as citizens, where they protect me and you, where they guide me and you.
So waiting at that document day, if I tell we now, we don't explain too much.
Waiting at that government document day.
The timer is up. 8, 7.
The structure of a woman.
The what?
Structure of a woman.
Wrong. And time up. Next.
Anybody to try?
The law.
No, now you get yes. Go ahead.
Constitution.
The Constitution.
Thank you.
Correct. In fact, now the 1991 Constitution. And they set up the government, and they define government, and they protect, we write them as citizens. The 1991 Constitution.
Okay, so we go to the next.
Sorry, we'll just go on for keep that word document because we think it will be much more simple for now. Yeah. Next, please.
Movement of Faith Islamic Secondary School, Bundu M. Mansare.
Bundu M. Mansare. Question
42.
number. Question number 32.
42.
Question number 42. Do we have a question number 42? Yes. This one is a very big one. When was the Crown Colony established?
Repeat the question.
Whose time they established the Crown Colony?
When they wait man and come.
Whose time they set
can't
up
take
up?
over
When
the
they wait
country.
man and come?
When they can set up their own government. Na Salome.
1961.
Wrong, sir. You have 5 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Good. Yes. When was the Crown Colony established? Na Salome.
1808.
1808, correct. 3 points. Correct, 3 points. School, please.
Potloko Catholic Junior
The
Secondary
Catholic
School.
Junior Secondary School,
Your name?
Christiana Fatimata
Christiana
Kamara.
Fatimata.
Right? 3 marks. Yes, next, please. Christiana, now you turn again. Christiana again.
Number 36.
Question number 36. 36. Question number 36. Let's see what we got here. Question number 36. Oh, this one is very simple. What is Sierra Leone's national motto?
Waiting at Salon in motto.
Unity, freedom, and justice.
Correct, 5 points.
Thank you.
For Christiana Fatmata Mansare for Catholic Junior Secondary School. Next, please.
Abiba Tutsi say number 9.
Stand up, please.
Question number 9. I guess it's a question that is going to focus on Potloko, except otherwise. Question number 9. Yes, I like this one. What is the meaning of the name Potloko in Sierra Leone?
How they call Potloko Pantimini?
No, not all the meaning. Not all. Waiting at the meaning of the word Potloko.
The meaning of Potloko.
You can give it the Timini name, and then you can tell me also the meaning.
Read again the question.
Waiting at the meaning of the name Potloko.
Bekeloko.
Now the name now the way then they call them inside Timini, but waiting it mean.
It means the
Hold on, please. We have
hold
one
on,
timer,
please.
Una not get them confused for we, please.
Will they give you the next five? Yeah, will they give you the next 5 seconds? Yeah, good. Go.
Bekeloko, the name.
Wrong, please. Time up. No, na Bundu get in choice in time now. Yes, the opportunity. Yes, Bundu. No. You able to answer that question? Good. Any other person? Any other person? Yes.
Blacksman London.
Say again.
The Blacksman London.
No, wrong. Yes. Quickly.
In Temne Bekeloko. The reason why it's named Potloko is because the locals are the first to settle here.
Closer but wrong. Any other person here? No. Okay. Any young person from the audience, please?
They're very close, but we go justify that anyway.
Yes, please. The young man inside the pink. Say again. Say again. Wrong. Yes, I see a hand over there as well. Okay.
Wrong.
Yeah. Yes. The waiting? The Port of Loco. That is very correct. So put your hands together for him.
So it can either be the port or
the wharf. Wharf of locals. The locals. Thank you very much. Yes, next, please.
But this say now who said a force?
Who said it?
But that was not the case. Yeah.
Yes.
Domije, FL Shombe, Joanna Kaivan, Over Model Junior Secondary.
Audience at the back, please.
Hello. Salon Big Pass we. Thank you. Thank you.
Question
Yes.
43.
Question number 43. Question number 43. 43. When did Sierra Leone become a British protectorate? When did Sierra Leone become a British protectorate?
Usia.
Go over the question again.
When did Sierra Leone become a British protectorate?
1951.
Wrong. Time is running. You have 7 seconds.
1961.
Wrong.
I don't really understand the question.
Understanding the question is part of the answer. Time up, please. Next person, please. The question do not have to be simple anyway. Anybody else from the competitors? Yes, you want to try Christiana?
Yes.
Yes, go on, Christiana.
Wait. What do you mean? Yes, sir.
Yes.
1808.
1808 is the colony, the establishment of the colony. Okay, anybody from the audience, quick? Nobody, possibly not answer it. Now one may answer, please. Yes, Obayanda, please.
$1958.
Wrong.
$1896.
Correct. Clap for her. Now who's school and there, please? Joanna. Oh, put your hands together for them, please. Thank you very much. I think that is the end of round 3 and the end of this round. We'll now give some few minutes for we judges them for good. Okay. By the way, we had up to 80 questions, but because of time, we're not going to answer or we're not going to ask all them questions in there. And we want for make we know say also we get questions there for ACC, for NRA, for statistics Sierra Leone. But interestingly, they're not picking the number in there. So just want for make we know that. I want to come to Kweku. Kweku, how is it like growing up in Potloko? How you dey feel like growing up in Potloko? You get party the way they play with. You get side them for go. You can live good time naya, you know. One tell you small thing about yourself.
Because it is my place of birth.
Your place of birth.
Yes, sir.
And you like it in Potloko.
Yes, sir.
By the way, do you know I was born in Potloko district? I was born in Mabesena Hospital. Beautiful place, not so?
Yes,
in
sir.
Lunsa.
Yes, sir.
Good. I just want to check quickly. As to judges and they go. Quickly, I just run some things. Now, when I know anything about this, waiting and they call the midterm development plan. Anybody know anything about that? The midterm the midterm national development plan. I don't ever hear anything like that. One day, when I know about the census, when last Salon get census? Anybody? When are the last time we do census in Salon? Yes. Somebody said 201. Hey, blah. No. Wow. Good. So I think while they wait for me them give we the different, we just want for check. Any other school picking their way go for sing for with the national pledge inside Creole or inside Timini? Anybody? We want for challenge you.
Okuru kono bempa susabe aturas
dunia kere olupsa suka kabumahi oya mone sabe sachik sedekbo korika dunia.
All right, thank you. You see, I just want sport it up, you know. Then 10 and day, which trusses will be the way? Liganza, Canabi Binde. In those days, the elegant guys, where been they do faith. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, we don't sit down small, we want to shake your small because put lock yourself is sweet. Put lock or sweet in Unayon days, no so. But the beginner say this digital age is sweet. So I will now call on the editor, one pawi, sober musician there inside Put Loco. Let me get begin. The editor. SMD. The editor. But una not glad for him. Una see where the parent perform. Yes, they do just one song for we, so that they want the way to do the quiz. Let them say smile and make me people enjoy. Thank you. Over to you.
Hello, good afternoon. How we all just say, now one salon we get. Now me and you for make salon. So for poilia, now we go affect. So DJ, let we go. DJ, let we go.
Now one salon we get now if we boil ya, we don't get no one for make ya. Cause now we back. But if we make ya with love, now we say go enjoy ya. Because now one salon we get now one salon we get salon we get, why the green and red for vets, left for juke, land and book, why the cook, green and Ghana take a look, pledge love and loyalty to salon, now the oath, unity, freedom and justice, now we oath, think about the peace, think about the love, think about the children, think about the poor, think about the deaf and dumb, corruption make we left, one salon, all on like in, all on like UF, east, west, north and south, make we bind them, make we dine them, make we wine them, Forget about your tribe, cause now one salon we get. Make we come together in a salon. Respect you elders, respect the law, respect the thing that we will make we all go before. Palava no go pay, ala ala no go pay, kitty kata no go pay. We get one salon, only one salon. Palava no go pay, kitty kata no go pay. Ala no go pay. We get one salon, now only one salon.
This one they go for the school picking them with sisters them. Listen, no, listen. Listen, no, listen. They're sending a school for make you learn. You jump na streets for government man. You don't get belay. You don't even get beke. You papa be talk. You not listen. DJ, let me go. DJ, let me go.
Success music, Bruce Emperor. What is the lamang? What is the lamang? Listen, no, listen. The papa they talk. Listen. Listen, no, listen. The mama they talk. Listen. The mommy they vex. It's now they dance. Listen. The papa they talk. Lucky they go. Listen. Motoka boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Boom. Motoka boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Boom. Okada beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Okada beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. They send in a school for make you laugh. You jump na streets for go fair man. You don't get a leg. You not even get the kid. You mama talk. You not listen.
Let we support.
You not listen.
Motoka boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Motoka boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Boom boom boom.
Okada beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Listen, no, listen. See mama they talk. Listen. Listen, no, listen. See mama they talk. Listen. The mommy they vex. It's now they dance. Listen. The papa they talk. Lucky they go. Listen.
Motoka boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Motoka boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Boom boom boom.
Okada beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Okada beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. If I be no, always they can last. You then a man host, not sabi cook. You let you man, not sabi cook. They begin for beat you, boom bam boom. You mama be talk, you not listen. I stop for that body, 10 men. I smell that young. No shit, they have me talk, you shout, you hot. When next come, you don't come out. Look belly, put up for front. Now you they talk, blah blah blah. Any man you points na alala. Points no ayat, na bagwa. Listen, no, listen. See mama they talk, listen. Listen, no, listen. See mama they talk, listen. The mommy they vex, it's now they dance, listen. The papa they talk, look here they go, listen.
Motoka boom boom boom.
Boom boom.
Let me just see your hands in the air. Let me just see your hands in the air.
Boom boom boom. Okada beep 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 beep. Okada beep 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 beep.
Thank you. Thank you.
You papa they talk. Listen, listen, listen. Huh? No sir. You mama they talk. I remember, oh mommy didn't tell me. You chose me and I chose you. We are the chosen few. Yes, you're chosen few. I not say unana royal people. The blacksman London, eh? That's how we cheap the man diamond. You not talk say the man diamond I can know. But listen, I want to shake you one more time. Because then they get you discuss them. And the minister then get for can be judges now. For the next hour, we switch for you. You want to see them also? But this time, let me call on A score. A score. I tell you, ESCON I sing for with civic activities and really not civic song they can do for we. You know what it is? DJ all and day. Let me get squeeze ESCON. ESCON. Let me get a big hand. You see I am? Yeah.
Holy Solis, DJ Holy there. I don't know, Seth, how happy for be here because the type people I see for me. I don't better today, yeah. When I clap for me, I don't better today. I get the Paramount Chief. I get the Council Chairman. Mami Gogra, he teach me SS1 and SS2. When I put my hands together for that. Then I get me Mama who born me then I Okay, let's sing together. Put salon first. Mama, put salon first. Put salon first. Papa, put salon first. Forget about your parties and your colors. Put salon first. Forget about your wicked ways of thinking. Put salon first. Toto bed. Wune wuni, esopa sopa, echepa chepa, owatabatoko, abayakura. Put your hands together, put your hands together, put your hands together. Put your DJ, let me go, let me go, let me go.
It's making entertainment empire. Oh, Solomon. Something like this. Listen this. Put salon first.
Hey! Put your hands together, Mr. What for you is here. Put your hands together.
Mama, put salon first. Forget about your parties and your colors. Put salon first. Forget about your wicked ways of thinking. Put salon first. Forget about your tribes and your regions. Put salon first. Now the country you pledge your love and loyalty to. The country you say you go serve her faithfully as all the time. Salon are the country where you promise for defend and honor her good name. Always work for unity, peace, freedom and prosperity. The country you say you go put your interest above all else. Why you turn around and make Salon cry? Would I go up the country from the wicked? Only Jaja knows, only Jaja knows. We pray, Jaja help us. Only Jaja knows, only Jaja knows. We pray, Jaja save us. Put Salon first, Papa, put Salon first. Put Salon first, put Salon first. Mama, put Salon first. Forget about your parties and your colors. Put Salon first. Forget about your wicked ways of thinking. Put Salon first. Forget about your tribes and your regions. Put Salon first. Solomon, let we learn from the past. Are the big Solomon, let we learn from the present. Are the big Solomon, let we think about the future. Are the big Solomon, let we think about the country. Are the big no respect party, pass the country. No respect.
Okay. Put your hands up, put your hands together, put your hands. We're not like Salon. Now put Salon first, eh? I will teach her this.
Put Salon first, put Salon first. Yes, eh? Yeah, afuma loma yola. Yeah, afuma loma money. Yeah, yeah, afuma loma. Yeah, afuma loma loma. You mo yola, afofa ngesamo. Mbalae. Aha! You see, I tell you, at the candy. Oh, they bring Silikuche for you. Thank you very much. I will now hand on back to the stage for the announcement of the results. And after that, we will come back to the next segment. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The scores are in. Hello. Hello. Do one forget to our attention. One for tell them, artists them plenty thank you for lifting up the banner of Sierra Leone in Port Loco. Before we call the final result, one for tell particular thank you to the panel of judges then from different CSOs and Port Loco. They don't really demonstrate a lot of support for this, not only now, but from before even with the come here. Or one for Yeri from the chief judge, Mr. Mohammed A.S. Kamara from NASED. It's over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. I think the people, we all don't see this competition. I'm sure everybody okay. And I just want to make something clear. Probably other schools, other people with the FCA will not be done to invite other schools in. Of course, NACSED, the Ministry of Information and Civic Education, the ministry is supervised NACSED. So anything we'll be able to do, anything they happen to like a continuation of that. Now that make if you seminar, we all they work as a team because we all they under the Ministry of Information and Civic Education. And I believe people in there will justify that say, we don't invite other schools in, Sri Lanka and others, EDK, right? I'm sure people in there, they don't partake, you know. So it just happens to say, this time around, now that's why we invite. We all don't see what happen, I'm sure everybody happy. We see waiting Catholic secondary school do. We see waiting Joanna's and do, MOF and do. We see waiting other schools and do, Mafoki, and also the Free Pentecostal, which they all do. We all appreciate, I'm sure, because when you see you picking partake, you see you school picking they do so, you see you young picking where you born they do so, you know. From the Teaching Service Commission, from the MBSSE, they said then they are, and I'm not saying all will happen. It's like what really then they do, what really they try for. I mean, bring the country, now we get a better education. We all they feel I'm now small. Right. So I'm not there for call the results, but just one for tell una say the picking and do well. We get somebody we get 18. We get somebody we get
okay,
8.
please, they are not calling results. Not just calling results. It's fine. Thank you very much.
So once more again, we tell una thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Let's put hands together for Mr. Mohammed A. Kamara. Thank you so much, NASED, and thank you for that support to give for Kaya. Without wasting time, we want for call on the results. We'll go on for Lady Picking and Team Applause. Clap for them. Put your hands together for them. Please stand up. Please stand up. Stand up for these amazing young people demonstrating the love and patriotism of Sierra Leone. Thank you so much. So, are we ready for the result? The result is in now. And we'll start with the 6th position. There is no loser here. There is no loser here. Okay? The 6th position is Free Pentecostal Academy Stephen Kweku with 3 marks and 6th position. Great. As we're done, we get some small gifts and we don't get from people for appreciating them for the amazing thing they want to do, yeah? Just hold on 1 minute, like just call the results, we can get them. The other position, a 4th position, and this 4th position, 5th position, actually in a 4th because we get tie. The tie will get from Dr. Kadi Sise Government Secondary School, Patient Blessing. Put your hands together for him. No, put your hands together for him, please. And then Abubakar Sise from Mafoki Agricultural Islamic Secondary School, 4th position. The 3rd position, they come up from Movement of Faith Junior Secondary School, Bundu Mansare, with 10 points. The 4th position and get 8 points, and the 3rd position get 10 points. The 2nd position. 2nd position, we get 14 marks. And this come up from Joanna Cuvenhoven Modern Secondary School. Alfred. Is it Alfred? I want the full name, please. Sorry, we need to call the name for the camera, please. What's the name? Tommy J. F.L. Songbe. Please put your hands together for her. Sorry, we'll be getting mixed up name when in the sending result it starts. The 1st position. Yes. Please. Please. MOF. MOF. Please, there's a protest, so we need for
hold on for we judge.
Because we want to make sure say everybody come on here peaceful and transparent. Please, can we cross check, please? It looks as if some students and they go and protest, so it's okay, it's fine. Please, let's just calm down.
All right, I go ask that we stand down. Let we proceed, then we go come up with the list later. Please, because my minister them, they say they get other busy schedule and we get for move on to another. Actually, we don't want to keep people here till past 2. So please, can we sort that out and make we go to another agenda? Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for that school for the observation. Now, what school are they? Say again. Dr. Kadi, good. Thank you for that observation. And one for telling us plenty, thank you. We will go over the result again. So the 6th position go to Free Pentecostal Academy with 3 points. Now put your hands together for them again. And then we get 4th position. There's a tie, please. We get a tie, please. We get a tie for the 4th position. We go for Mafoki Agricultural Islamic Secondary School. Then get hold on. We get the movement, the Mafoki Agriculture Secondary School, where there is a tie, but we actually get the Movement of Faith Secondary School, where come 5th position, we get 5 points. We get 5 points. When Bundu Mansare. Then we get a tie for the 3rd position. The 3rd position, we get a tie when 2 schools them. One na the Dr. Kadi Sise Government Girls Secondary School, we get 8 points. Then we get Mafoki, we also na a tie, we get another 8 points. We'll put our hands together for them. For the 2nd position, we don't name them already. We come up from Joanna Kuvenhoven Modern Secondary School. Put your hands together for them. Then get 14 points. With the support of the judges then, and one for apologize for technical calculations and on behalf of Ministry of Information and Civic Education, and we already got an idea. We want for call on the school where come this year, this particular National Civic Day series for youth engagement. We want for call on the school where come first. Potloko Catholic Junior Secondary School. Christiana Fatmata Mansare. Let's put your hands together for her. Kamara, please. Christiana Fatmata Kamara. With 18 scores and 1st position. Let's put your hands together for them, please.
So
can we see you, please?
Christiana Fatmata Kamara.
So we go, please want me the first 3 men and just stay, and the other one they will come 4th position and 5th position. I just come behind quickly. One forget them one there, please. Una can move quickly. One forget Free Pentecost Academy for Move Go Bien. We won't forget Mafoki for Move Go Bien. Sorry. Also Movement of Faith Junior Secondary School for Move Go Bien. Mafoki for Stay. And then Kadi, Dr. Kadi Sise Government Secondary School for Stay. So just one for no. Please come forward. Just come do ya quickly. Christiana. Mafoki, right? Okay. Good. Go closer, please. So please, you can first stand. Christiana, you there before? And then Mafoki and no so. The second Joanna, right? And then we get the 2 tie them for Mafoki, not so. Good. Ladies and gentlemen, these are your winners. Let's put your hands together for them. Good. So, when I will go down for now, later on, there will be prizes, there will be certificates, and the ministers and go honor Una for the amazing job Una don't do here so today. And thank you so much. God bless Una all. We now go move over to Mr. Toure, please.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Una all can take Una seats. Thank you to the judges. Put your hands together to them, please. Put your hands together. Put your hands together for them all. Una take Una juice them, please. Another fan at the table. Thank you. Yes. The minister then go shake Una hand them for now, please. Do you want to shake their hand them? They don't do an amazing job. Thank you so much.
I want to say thanks very much to the quiz master we handled this quiz. Tonto, you never tell and say, today now is civic day. Today now we civic. Because Salon Big Pass we. Right. That's great. Now, with the count of something very, very interesting. This one have been question and answer. But this now, not talk, then they can talk about something. we get a lot of things same way they happen. But once see they begin the idea, but the issues here. For example, they begin and go talk about, you know, what in they know about we country in well body one. What in they know about feed salon. What in they know about statistics. But anyway, when they come, una self go here, they una go judge. And the people that will go be the big judge them. Now the minister, then we get dinner here with we, then go be part of the judges. But make a welcome me with Paramount Chief from Lunsar. You know, they don't sing about Super Nibo. You want for go Lunsar. We don't sing about that. Remember, what they call you said now, Kono Chief. Yeah, we'll be the one for come. Driver, do ya care me go? If you do me good, me go remember you. Another time. Aha. Chief, remember, eh? What he better, eh? Boy, oh me, eh, me, that's all. Yeah? Okay. I know now the civic time, we enjoy the civic festival, and we know exactly, say, we they come to this big side. Then quiz people here, I think say. The one where we the camp now the next session we na debate. Yes. Among the schools then. But still, them people here now then they prompt me Uda and Uda the camp. But we want to say thank you very much to we deputy ministers, especially Mami Gogra, Amiaja, Isata here. And I don't do very well for can interact with we. Especially with them PK, we not be get opportunity for me to tuna. You know, Mami Gogo herself in Peking in school. Peking wait in a music in I take. Yes, they can perform for an and the Mami dance reggae. So bad. Yeah. Alright. So now, among the schools then, I want to ask. Who does servicing the national anthem Palimba? Wetin make you know hala? That's a Salon language. Bon, I talk Limbaya. Limanando. Wali. Thank you very much. I know you can do it. Right. So, we artist Mr. A-Score. I think we'll ask for one more appeal. Why should they get now to this next segment? Let A-Score spur we up. Why should they call now the schools the way they come up for a debate? A-Score in second music. He say he was entertaining with the second music. And after that, Oda one pass water, can use them quick and come back, come to the second part of this program. Yes. Yes. So A-Score go give you the second track. For that one, you can go and come back for the debate. All right. I think the sign language interpreter say he can rest small. Yes, so we're ready for we artists now. A-Score go give you one entertainment, then we come to the quick one. Yes. Quick one. Okay. Well, whilst we dey wait for a score. Whilst we dey wait for a score, make a member who say tomorrow we get a big program here. We big alejo then go there. For can't talk about on our water business, the health system, anti-corruption in the country, and so many other things in. So tomorrow we dey expect say all the paramount chiefs there where they invite the big alejo, they all go in here for make we grace that particular program day. So today, now they speaking their own day, and now them we come for purposely for meet with them today, so that we all go share together this civic stuff where we can do now. Yeah. And after that, we believe say the councils themselves go replicate similar activities now the rest of the other chiefs within Port Local. So, check. Thank you. Hold it. All right. I think say we don't get water and let we can sign out. Hold it. Hold it. Thank you. Let we can sit down now for this next segment. As we get quick one from A Score, then we go listen to 1-2 words from we minister them. We they with we are then Seb go make. Well, give them 2 minutes for let them Seb go talk something. So on that note, A Score, you get this floor. DJ.
Saloma. Ha. Sanford.
Legit.
Ha.
Hawkins.
Let's do it together.
Saloma, try for capuses, access for go make, we build a fence, yes, we no attack, not go broke the defense, if they come for full, we tell them say, we don't get sense, capuses, not capuwa, Saloma, try for pixels, capuses, not capuwa, Saloma, never try for pixels. Salon youth man, try for land walk. Not so alter for zebra, you a body. Now all this don't make me they misuse we serve. But something what we able buy or get for we serve. Now we try for make we add the value, but we serve. But go make we all the man talk, we able argue. That's end day, we go build we serve. That's end day, we go there for we serve. Yeah, Saloma, try for capuses, access for go make, we build a fence. Yes, we no attack, not go block the defense. If there's a for full, we tell us say we don't get sense. Capuses, capuwa. Saloma, try for pixels, capuses, capuwa. Saloma, try for pixels. When you give votes, I for vote with conscience. When you give vote, I for votes with plenty sense. I vote for party, color or tribe. No vote for region or for gold. No vote for rum or jamba. No vote for kush or tramadol. Vote for the posse, or go make alone. Vote for the posse, Relax alone, oh. Saloma, try for capuses. Access for gourmet, baby la fence. Yes, we no attack, no go broke the defense. If they come for food, we tell us say we don't get sense. Capuses, no capuwa. Saloma, try for big sense. Capuses, no capuwa. Saloma, try for big sense. Until we say, I for do. Like for say, see now they for do. Where it be for say, plenty thing then they for do. We dey shame for say, we no want for do them. It sound like say, now do them do it. If they do we say, before do something. Politician, treat your people alright. Cause you know say, you never face the judgment. Saloma, try for capuses. Access for go make, baby la fence. Yes, we no attack.
Thank you very much. Well, now we not get time for waste, and we can out of the debate. And how this debate they be, we get 3 main topic then, where we select. And then 3 topics and day, since na 6 schools them we get, then school year so, uno they can ballot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you would get 1, then they get 1, then number one, now then they meet up on one topic, for or against. You get number 2, then they get number 2, uno pick number 2, then to school, now then everybody. Number 3, would I pick up? Then after that, because the topics are not the same, we get 3 judges now. Yeah, we get a statistician general, and go look at in your area. Now in the judge that side. We get 1 person with the judge in the look at purely the issue about corruption, and the other one in the look at the other topic. So the 3 judges they pick among them 3 schools, and they pick the first day in that debate. So that is how it's going to be. So on this note, I will let there with judges here, then go still, because they're not the front row, let them remain where they are, and then go judge according to. So when I call for me, Mami Gogo Adria, if you didn't do. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. We want for, no one for waste time, we want for call on the schools then. And then as it is, we will also give the ground rules so that we go move very, very fast. So we want for call on the schools them again for kindly send in the debaters them. They are the schools that will just want, no one for call name, no one for waste time. Please,
the schools
school,
them, please.
When I send in, when I
Dr.
Kadisi
say, the debater, Patience Blessing Sema Tuture.
We'll all put hands together for him, please.
Movement of Faith Islamic Senior Secondary School, Aminata Lamin Kamara, Free Pentecostal Academy,
we'll put hands together for
Adam
him, please.
Abakal, Johanna Modern Secondary School, Eric E. Conker, Potloko Junior Secondary School, Potloko Catholic. We have Alusain Mahmoud Badara Tarawali, Mafoki Agriculture Islamic Secondary School. We have Aisha Okagbo.
One more school. One more, okay, good.
Yeah, there are 6 numbers.
Good. Well, I like the head boy. Head boy gets in tag on him. It tell him say in a head boy, in a the head boy. Hello, Mr. Head boy. How are you, sir? Good. We get any head girl now? Any head girl? Una own a head girl? Okay. Good. Good. So we want for please get the minister then and the statistician also for just stand by. Una go need for take notes. Now una get for give a reflection and then judge would I win based on the topic. Okay? Una they listen to the because waiting for happen now one school they fight with another school, they debate with another school on one topic. The other school they also debate with another school for another topic. And the other school they also debate with another school for another topic. So at the end of the day, we'll able to forget the first. Then one in the way, they finally left with 3 people them. And then 3 people they will give them one topic when they go handle. And then 1 or 3 go judge them. Okay? Are we ready? Marian then go need for ballot. And then go need for introduce themselves. We go kindly call on Mr. Mohamed S. Kamara, please, and then Ms. Saliu Sako, please. Una can come up. We need una support here, please. Thank you. Mr. Mohammed. Please, for the debate, we actually invite the senior secondary school then for the debate. But if a school thinks say somebody there at junior level we can go debate at secondary level, we're okay with that. The only thing we're not okay with, we'll come up from senior and come down to junior. All right? Is that okay?
Hello. I just get a closed door meeting with the Catholic teachers and senior teachers, and then actually they tell me say they knock out senior people now. So I don't know. This young man is junior, but he's willing to come participate. So the teachers, I don't know. Let me go ahead. Okay, no problem.
Good. So Marian, please let me ballot now. Thank you very much. No, we still need to now up here you and Saliu Sako, please. Yeah, they can still come back. It's fine. Marian, can we please do it fast? Please, time. Good. Wow. So on a ballot, I can take, please. Good. Are we set? Okay, so please take the mic, tell your name and the school where they represent.
Good day, everyone. I am Aisha Usman Kabo. I'm from the Great Mafoki Agricultural Islamic Secondary School.
Okay, good day everyone. I'm Alperes Tuli representing Joanna Kaivenhoven Model Senior Secondary School.
Good day everyone. I'm Abusan Mahmoud Badaratawari representing the Great Catholic Junior Secondary School.
Afternoon all. My name is Amna Talamin Kamara. I came from the Movement of Faith Islamic Secondary School, Port Lockhart.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Say that again. Aminata Witin. Aminata Lamin Kamara.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Adam Abakar Kamara, representative from the Great Pentecostal Mission of Africa.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Patient Blessings Matutule, a representative from Dr. Gadis. Sise, Girls Senior Secondary School.
Patient, okay? Good. Good. So, I'm going to also give you una debate number then, please.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Number 3. Who done number 3? How many people get number 2? Number 3?
3 or 2.
Now number 3 you get number 3 and you get number 3, right?
Yes, sir.
I have number 2.
You have number 2. You get number 2.
Number 1.
Number 1. And you said get number 1? Number 3. No, somebody not correct. We forget 1, 2 for 2 people then. Forget 2 for 2 people then. 3 for 2 people then. No, we forget 2 for each people then. One they compete against 1, 2 they compete against 2, and 3 they compete against 3. Please. Number 1 is 2. Number 2 is 2. Number 3 is 3. It's 2, sorry. We don't get time, but I need to know. Number 1, what are number 1? Would I get a number 1? No. Please, can you take back the paper from them? It's Alex so they don't confuse. Please rewrite on a new paper, please. Judges, can you help us quickly, please? We want to do this very, very fast. Write 1 on 2 papers, 2 on 2 papers, 3 on 2 papers, please. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so we just understand that we are affiliated to some schools then, and therefore it will be conflict of interest on and we don't have for putting on that kind of position there. Good. Wow. I don't know if any paramount chief here want for step in. Good. It's okay. We will get the statistician general, the deputy, he will represent forbidden reflection there. We'll put that burden on you, sir. Yeah? Good. But no, nevertheless, we will still get forget the ministers then for giving them reflection at the end of the day. We're not go judge, but we're go give a reflection and on the topic. But we're not go judge. Okay. Is that okay, ma? Thank you very much. Good. Are we set, please? So I get Dr. Kadi Sise, Dr. Kadi A. Sise, Government Secondary School, patient, blessing. And you represent also and a patient, right? Good. You know which school again? Pentecostal. What's your name? I won't forget. How many judges are already, please? Judges, please. We won't forget the names them so I get them correct. Yeah? Good. We'll start again, please. The first school will get Nayana Dr. Kadi ACC Government Secondary School. When a patient Blessing Samantu Ture, right? Take the how you calling it? Semantu. Simantu, okay. That's correct. It's okay. Can we please? Oh, it's also going to be part of the reflection. It go good for make you. We give a specific topic where you go listen to the young people there, and you go give you reflection. Thank you very much for opting to support. Good. Yes, the next school we get the local Catholic primary school. Uda come for Dandy. Call your name quickly.
Alusain Mahmoud Badatawai.
Alusain
Mahmoud.
Tarawali, right? Yes. The next school we get Movement of Faith. Aminata Lamin Kamara. When I don't get that. Mafoki Agriculture Islamic Secondary School. I would have come for that.
Aisha Okabo.
Aisha waiting.
Okabo.
Aisha Okago. Here's the next school we get Joanna Kaiverhoven Modern Secondary School. Alfred S. Ture. And then Free Pentecostal Academy. Without get here. Adama Bakar Kamara. Good. Judges, we don't get them. We don't get them right. Good. So we want for attach the different topic then on a number with the delete for now. Other than number one. Number one. Give me the name, please. Aminata Lamin Kamara for Movement of Faith. Also, number one. Good. What again on number one? Patient is number one. Patient. So Aminata, they compete against patients. Okay? Where una? Okay, so I want to make you move and then you can carry. Yeah? We'll just with some sanity. Good. It's okay with the candy. The number two. Okay, so then with now the school, then Mafoki, right? Number two. Who again number two? Alfred S. Ture. Alfred S. Ture for Joanna, right? Good. Two. Number three. Alusain for local Catholic, right? Three. And then we get Adama Bakar Kamara for Free Pentecostal. Three. Good. One make una sit down in order, please. Two. One make two then there, and then three then do behind. So Aisha, you not two, right? Good. So good. You can sit outside. It's fine. Just outside. It's fine. You can sit down now. It's fine. Perfect. Good. So when I don't already ballot for the question them, and the question then are impromptu questions. Sit down, please. It's okay. When I don't mix up with you. Aisha, you know two? You know two, right? Okay, good. So you sit down with what I get two, Alfred Ture. You said not two, no so. Alfred Ture and Aisha. Good. 3, 1. Good. For the judges, them I go read the names them again, and please do not take notes for the last time. Yeah, we get Dr. Kadi ACC Government Secondary School when a patient Blessing Simantu Ture, and in debates number 1. Then we get the Movement of Faith Secondary School Aminata Lamin Kamara in set 1. So so that they compete against themselves. Yeah?
For number 2, we get Joanna Kuvenhoven Modern Secondary School, when Alfred S. Toure, number 2. For number 2 again, we get Mafoki Agriculture Islamic Secondary School, we get Aisha Kabo, number 2. And then for number 3, we get Free Pentecostal Academy, Adama Bakar Kamara, 3. And then we get the local primary, local junior secondary school, Alusain MB Tarawali, winner 3. Local Catholic Junior Secondary School. Oh, this is a secondary school, right? This is a senior secondary school, right? Good. So we set, not so? Good. So Marian, we want to make them ballot again. Who are they start first? Whose team they start first? Or let's start from number 1, not so? Good. Then we'll go number 1, then for vote for 4 or against. Marian, can we get that quickly, please? You have to work with me very fast. Please write on the paper 4 or against. So each topic will go give. One of them go there against, and the other go there for. Okay? Good. Okay, so the Miko debate master, they also request say, law will left and open. But I think say somebody need for the for and somebody need for the against for make an interesting. Not so? Good. I think say law do that. Good. Good. So where do we need for now? We need for starts. But I want for sure say the judges them okay. Not so? Good. We want to start with team number 1. Team number 1, we get the Dr. Kadi A. Sise Government Secondary School, when a Patient Blessing, Simantu Toure, and then we also get the Movement of Faith Junior Secondary School, Aminata Lamin Kamara as 1. So we move with the different areas and where the judges then go look at. Then go look at introduction. Then go look at the contents where the person presents. Then go also look at the, they can call them mannerism, the way he confident enough for presenting the topic. And then the conclusion and also time management. Interestingly, we want to put 20 points for introduction, 30 points for the presentation, 10 points for confidence, conclusion. We also want to put 20 for that day and then 20 for time management. So in total, it will be 100. Then they go for 100 marks, okay? Thank you very much for that. Let's go over that again, please. We want to look at the introduction. We'll go for 20 marks. Content and presentation, they go for 30 marks. Confidence, the way the person confident in mannerism, the way they approach the stage and all that stuff, then they want for get 10 marks. And then the conclusion, one for get 20 marks. Time management, one for get 20 marks as well. This in total, I make 100 in total. With timekeeper as usual, now Mr. Isaiah Sakor, please prepare your time. We'll give 3 minutes per each presenter. Then go start the clock. When it left 1 minute, then go make a sign to you. Somebody go tap a table, mean to say left 1 minute, and that means you for the conclude. Okay? When we go still allow you for talk, Tay, we go wait for you. Tay tomorrow, we go deduct by your mark. Okay? We go keep the time up to 3 minutes. But we go allow you, maybe if you want to talk to 4 minutes, we go let them roll. But mind you, when you talk above 3 minutes, your mark will be deducted because time management are 20 mark. Huge. Okay? Good. So one for start. Marianne, please. For or against? Marianne, don't rush for me. Judges, can we get a ballot slip for or against quickly? One for take this. When we call a debater, you can please count him up now and debate. Okay? One may take this podium, may take this entire space and debate. Are we ready? Mr. Sise, Mr. Kamara? For against, we'll start with 1. So just fold them quickly. Good. So now go need for vote. Up to now, they don't know the question it. 9 hearts. Good. 4, right. I want another ballot. For whether they go first. No, for them, same one here. Whether they go first. It should be 1 or 2. Good. Go 1 or 2. Let them vote. So get Udana number 1, please. Good, and then Una number 2, right? And they try for clear here for Una so that. Okay, can you just push? For the first question number 1, they focus on social media. And the question read, social media and technology should be used as a tool for civic education in Sierra Leone. Social media and technology should be used as a tool for civic education in Sierra Leone. These debates will be also conducted. We decide for go in English or we decide for go in Creole. They open. Yeah? Good. So what are the number 1? Isaiah, can you start the time for us for 3 minutes? Lord, put your hands together for him, please. Lord, put your hands together for him. Lord, put your hands together for him. You they tell you name and the school, and then you go begin the debate. Isaiah, please 1 for see the time, and if possible, very bold, so that they go see. Do you have with the big? Good. Okay. Judges, are we ready? Audience, are we ready? Please, when they start the time, we don't want any, no distraction. Do you with big? Allow them and give and speech well and debate well. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for our first debater. Put your hands together for her. Your time starts now.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Amnat Alamin Kamara. I came from the Movement of Faith Islamic Secondary School, Port Local. I could have wanted to say this in English, but I just want you to understand what I mean. And the social media should not be used as a civic education in Sierra Leone. Because what make us say so? The social media right now, they disturb both of we the students there. Because 1, if they say social media it for be as an education for civic, in the morning we and where then small picking there and get phone. Someone will get phone, and not go make use of the phone. as they get a phone, go on social media, make TikTok, and make other things that will not go even necessary for in education. And civic is not count for that day. But this civic count for me, you sabi yourself, me you know yourself. You know wetin na your right and responsibility as a citizen. But now with the young social media, for make we able focus with attention on street. Because all those social media at times, and they help you for make you able educate if you want, but it also go push you on street. How? Some man go hold the phone, not to only for make a chat for something very important. Some man just go hold the phone and chat for something like blues, do other things there, and it's not necessary to we as a student. When you get phone, your parents can buy phone for you, you for make use of it. Whether you not, you for go on and us sit down and make you assignment. And social media also don't destroy we. Some man right now as them get assignment. And not get time for sit down and us again and do an assignment. All if for do, chat, count, any other thing. And as it don't chat, it not go able know again, waiting and waiting for understand. I sit down right, it not go able read and understand, waiting that they talk about. As in done for count and at school and talk, any other things there. Then they not fine. As they give you phone, you not for put your attention there too much. You not for put your focus by the phone. Also for reading books. Now it make social media don't destroy with the students there. And it not fine. So ladies and gentlemen, I go on for encourage you all. When you get a phone, they are big, sit down at us quietly. And do chat waiting concern but education, not for any other things there. And also right now, when they talk about social media, teacher go there inside our school now. As in there inside, you not go able to do any other things again. Sometimes when teacher they teach, in all the phone, busy they do other things there. So ladies and gentlemen, if I get for say much, I go stop now and wait for the another present.
Together for him. Let's put your hands together for him. Thank you very much. Wow, that was really wow. No comment. One for move straight to the other challenger. Winner from the Dr. Kadisise Secondary School. Please move forward, patients. You won't turn this for debates. Let's put your hands together one more time. One more time.
Well, before propelling, I would like to express my thanks and appreciation to the ministry staff and organizers of the Ministry of Civic Education and Information for organizing such a prestigious occasion. A very big thank you to you. Civic Education, a very big thank you. Mr. Chairman, panel of judges, co-debaters, and all protocol observed. I am Patient Blessing Simatu Ture, a representative from Dr. Kadi Esise, Girls Senior Secondary School. I'm here to debate on the topic, social media and technology should be used in the area of civic education. And I'm here strongly supporting the motion that social media and technology should be used as a tool in the area of civic education. Before propelling my points, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to explain some key terms from my subject of topic in my debate. Technology is the application of scientific knowledge in creating practical tools that improve our standard of living. Civic education. Civic education, also known as citizen education or democratic education, teaches individuals about our rights and responsibility and how to value ourselves and the area in which we reside. Now to my point. To begin with, firstly, improving the standard of our learning. Yes, my co-debater may have said technology damages education, but here I want to explain how technology improves the learning system, encouraging it to be part of civic education. Improving learning. The WAEC of Sierra Leone, as well as the MBSSC, has improved MBSSC learning passports, encourages students that will be taking their external examination, such as WAS, NPSC, and BECE, to access past questions that they were unable to foresee in their own days before accessing the material or the examination. Improving as, again, Mr. Chairman, improving our standard of living. Technology, as I've said, is what? The application of scientific knowledge creating tools that make standard of living more better. Technology have created a platform for washing machine as well as making domestic work more easier. Mr. Chairman and all protocol observed, with all my small but very important listed points of my topic, which says social media and technology should be used in the area of civic education. I hope I didn't also convince you, but you will fully agree with me that social media and technology should be included in the area of civic education. I thank you all for listening. Patient B.S. Ture from Dr. Kadi Esise is my nomenclature.
Thank you very much. Let's put hands together for Patient B.S. Ture. Wow. It's very beautiful, isn't it? I not be no saying and so people can get sense past me at this tone. You guys are really amazing. You're doing very well. And congratulations to the two of you. Good. We're going to go judges, one for finish, and then we'll go to the reflection. Also, can we? Right? Good. So one for take the next group. Marian, can they vote for or against? And also, who start first? Get on ballot. So we expect Mafoki and Joanna school. Two schools, them they go. Are you ready? Who is starting? Who's number one? Aisha, you're number one. And then Alfred Esture, number two, right? Good. So without wasting time, are they going at the question now? Question number 2. The fight against corruption must start in schools through civic responsibilities. The fight against corruption must start in schools through civic responsibility. For or against? Aisha, you will be the one to start. Please, let's put your hands together for Aisha Kagbo. Put your hands together for her. In school, not there. Una for the clap for them, jump for them, celebrate them. Una they compare notes? Okay, not bad, not bad. A good way to competitors and they compare notes, not so? Good. Over to Ima.
Mr. Chairman, teachers, my co-debaters, audience, I greet you all in the name of Allah. Assalamu alaikum. I am Aisha Usman Kabo. I am Aisha Usman Kabo. I'm from the Great Mafoki Agricultural Islamic Secondary School. I'm here to argue for The fight against corruption must start in school. Yes, the fight against corruption must start in school. These are the corruptions. We have people bullying our colleagues in school. This corruption should make us laggard, not make us to be attentively in school. These are bad effects towards us, towards we the going school peoples. This corruption should make us to be very attentively in school, for us to be focused to different ways. If teacher gave you an assignment, you should do it correctly. And if you fail to do it, corruption must take place. You students, you should know your right. You should know what to do. You should know how to do it. And what should I do? We the students, we lack of something. If they give us assignments, we like to compare to others. Even this past Beke, some of my colleagues, they're saying that me I dey go to school for go sit me Beke, but past no I go watch to me company. Corruption for take place and then school then day. Yes, because if corruption take place, in the make we for know what you for do by the end. So, in conclusion, for that end debate here, so I just want to give advice to my company people, for my company students there, for say anything they say right now school, what you not do, therefore treat you as a student. Thank you all.
Interesting, right? And I shall be there for the motion that to fight corruption must start in school. Okay? We get the option for speak Creole, or talk Creole, or for speak English.
So I be just to say that to the competitors, because